Amazing how similar to dinosaurs birds are. Or maybe it's not so amazing, seeing as they actually are a type of dinosaur, really. They evolved from the dinosaurs. And if you compare the skeleton of a bird with the skeleton of a dinosaur, or some of the meat-eating dinosaurs, some of the meat-eating dinosaurs are just like a blown-up version of the birds, really. In fact, two types, or general groups. There was the bird-hip dinosaurs, with hips similar to the birds. These were the therapsids, the meat-eating dinosaurs, and the lizard-hip birds. It's just the sauropods and other the plant-eating dinosaurs, although it's much more complicated than that. Where's that bird gone? It's flown away, just like the dinosaurs. Archaeopteryx was actually the fossil found a long time ago now. Well, maybe not that long ago, really. And that was a very interesting fossil. It had feathers. It was definitely a dinosaur. It had teeth, had fangs, claws. Looked like a dinosaur, but with feathers. It was one of the first birds. Birds evolved from dinosaurs. We're on the edge of the Darling River, and it's sunset. And this camera work is terrible. But I'll put it in as a link anyway. Wow, look at this guy. He is huge. It's a huge big red gum. There are some huge trees here. Huge trees. And a few birds.